Yo, what's up guys? Today I've got another video for you guys. Today I'll be dropping into the tilted towers and I'll be seeing how many kills we can get. Yo, what was that?
I think the Fortnite gods have just blessed me with a HOOBUY package. They have indeed blessed us with this 4 kg package. Let's unbox it and see what's inside. As you can see, I cannot unbox anything for the life of me. But we have the package opened right here, so let's see what's inside of it. So first up, we have these sweats from Satan Made for only $26. As you can see, the stitching is alright. It's not the best, but it's only $26, so I definitely recommend copying this. You also have the Balenciaga unisex tag, which is crazy, for only $26, as well as Satan's own tag. These are definitely great for in the winter, but it's summer right now in Belgium, so it's way too hot to put this on. As you can see on my floor, it does give off a little bit, so make sure to put it in a washer before you wear it. Up next, we have these $30 Balenciaga nylon pants, also from Satan Made. As you can see with this one, they did a better job with the stitching. You also do get branded zippers, and you also get the Balenciaga and Satan Made tag. Now I have a very tiny waist, so the smallest size is even too big on me, but I must say for only $30 these pants are a must cop. Up next we have the item I'm most excited about. These are the Balenciaga Lost Tape flares. These were only $45, which is an absolute steal. As you can see, they do come with all the branding you need, as well as inside and on the back. Even the zippers are branded, which is crazy to me, as well as the button. Now I did have to make the hole a little bit bigger because the button wouldn't fit through it. Now again, my waist was too tiny for these pants, but I put a belt in it, so it's all fine. As you can see on the back, they already come with holes, so you don't have to panic about any heel drag. It's already on there, as well as the wash. I think it's crazy. Up next we have this Balenciaga offshore long sleeve. You also get the correct tags with this, as well as these. The inside tags also look fine to me, as well as the branding on the front. It looks amazing. Also on the sleeves you have this branding, really cool to me. And on the back you have the same logo as in the front. Now this is how it fits. I don't really like how long it is, but that's just because I'm too small. Overall, it's a pretty good long sleeve, and I would definitely recommend copying this. Now let's get on to the accessories. Up first we have these Balenciaga blue light blocking glasses. These come in branding on the side as well as on the front. How do I look, guys? Am I aura farming?
They don't say congratulations, but you know they watch that shit. I ain't even gon' get mad. I'm young, black and rich.
Now I must say, these do not sit even on your face. One side is very wobbly. Now for these last two items, I actually bought 2 Goyard card holders, but the seller sent one of them wrong, so I actually got a toiletry bag. So I decided to just keep it because a toiletry bag for $5 is way too good to be true. The toiletry bag comes with this tea bag or something, and this is the bag itself. I'll fold it up for you guys. This is the best I could do to fold it up. It also comes with the branded zippers, as well as the monogram. I don't know how to legit check this, but it's probably very bad. It also comes with a little strap on the inside, very nice, and this is the tag on the inside. And then last but not least, we have this Goyard card holder, just a standard card holder you get for $5, you know. If you do have any suggestions for the next video, please let me know in the comments down below, and I will check every comment out. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you did like it, please make sure to leave a like as well as subscribe. Big shout out to HOOBUY for sponsoring this video, and I will see you guys in the next video.